Okay, my darling, let's begin.
Hello everyone, my name is Larissa and I want to represent you this beautifully designed brand new renovation from Real Lux Group. Brand new beautiful designed apartment. Я хочу вот так сказать. Я хочу так всегда начинать. Hello everyone, my name is Larissa and I want to represent you this brand new beautifully designed renovation from Realux Group. This space for those who want a great location and comfort and design and modern convenient flat. High caliber materials. Нет, надо мне. High caliber materials. Как-то так сейчас вот так сделаю. Я буду сидеть. Stylish finishes. Вот так. Так только я или стул тоже?
Только ты.
Today we are at the Calligraphy Tower. It is a new building. And in this flat was made a design project from Realux Group. In this modern, stylish, new flat, we have two rooms, living room and a bedroom. And let's begin with the view of this flat. Now we are in the room where we have wonderful kitchen and a comfortable living room. This kitchen is full of appliances, and there we can see a cooker, an oven and microwave oven. And of course, in this kitchen there is a washing machine. It is very cozy that in the kitchen there is a washing machine. And the most useful appliance in every kitchen is a fridge. And let's look for a fridge in this kitchen. I think it is there. How it open? Oh, it's very big and very comfortable fridge and freezer. Давай скажем про эти. Так, что сказать? Это тэп, кран. Ну, что сказать?
Красивый кран.
I'm standing here. Я скажу, я стою, ты думаю, как тут удобно помыть посуду, да? Можно так сказать?
Можно.
Все удобно расположено. I am standing here and thinking, how comfortable to wash up the dishes here. It is a beautiful tap and a lot of space for wash up and for cooking. It is a very comfortable kitchen. I want to say that this room is very comfortable and convenient. You can cook special dishes on this kitchen and then you can eat your delicious dishes there around this big beautiful table. And if you don't want to eat, if you want to drink a cup of tea or maybe a cup of coffee, you can sit there, drink your delicious cup of coffee or a cup of tea. I like coffee. And look at the wonderful view for whole Batumi. And you can see a beautiful mountains and great city. I think it's nice picture. It's wonderful picture. It's exciting picture for every morning. But if you like to drink wine, you can drink wine. Don't drink wine. Drink cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha. It's a strong drink. For what? Let's turn on the light in this modern room. First, wow, the next, and the third. And there we have the fourth type to turn on this. I think it is space for curtains, and it is lightning. Wonderful and beautiful, I think. Space for curtains. Oh, there is one more switch, and let's turn it up. Oh, it is a great lamp again. And of course, I think you can turn on the light from there and turning from the light from here. Wonderfully.
Скажи, очень удобно.
It's very convenient to have this light. You can see that this flat is modern designed, and we can see on this wall. This wall has three colors. For example, gray, I think it is light gray. The next, blue and the dark gray. It is, I think it is decision of designer to have three colored wall. Да. То есть я скажу.
Скоро здесь будет висеть телевизор. Да, прямо напротив дивана, очень удобно. Сможешь сказать?
Да. And soon they will hang in a TV set, maybe a big hanging TV set, and it will be very comfortable to sit on the sofa and watch TV. Maybe to lay on the sofa and watch TV. In this modern flat, not only one room, and let's go to the next room. I think it will be bedroom. Let's go. And now we are at the light bedroom. It is not big, it is a very big bedroom, and there we can see a big bed. And soon there will be made a headboard for bed. Now it is absent. And of course you can see that where we can see flower pots. I think it is interesting and strange designer decision. It's very unusual to have pots and under the ceiling. And of course, in every bedroom have to be a big wardrobe for flowers and anything. And I think in this bedroom a very big, very convenient wardrobe, and white. I think it's very useful that in this bedroom there is an extra space for sleeping. It is very convenient sofa. Let's do it for sleeping. Oh, easily. And let's imagine that you are beginning to sleep. And how we will turn on or turn off the light. How we will do in this room. Let's try. Wow, so beautiful, so easily. And this room, I think it's very light. A lot of lightning in this room. And it's beautiful lamp. And now let's look a switch near the door. How we will turn off the light from here? One. Oh, turn on the light, not turn off. Where is it? I think it's very comfortable and more light and more lightning. And in this design, beautiful flat, there is a wonderful view for whole city Batumi. Let's go and let's look and let's imagine that this life in Batumi is so wonderful. Can you see the sea, the Black Sea? It's an exciting view for what? For all the Batumi. The balcony is very big and comfortable. You can sit there in warm day and enjoy Batumi. And let's quickly have a nice look at hall and the bathroom. Let's go and let's see. Oh, mirror, a big mirror. You know that all girls like mirrors. It's so comfortable place. And there you can see a very secure new door, a hole, and a wise locker. Wise locker, and you can open your door and you can close your door without keys. And let's look and let's go to the bathroom. And now we will turn on the light. I think it's wonderful place. It's a big space. A mirror, a sink, a tap, a bath tap, very convenient, and a toilet. And of course, in the bathroom there is an unusual designer decision. I can see that this bathroom very convenient, beautiful and unusual. And there you can see a modern, convenient design and super renovation from Realux Group, and we can do such renovation, any renovation for your taste. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and make a like, and we can help you to choose a realty in Batumi, and we can help you to buy any flat in this wonderful city. Goodbye.